It's that time, people. It is that. It's that time, baby. All right, man, I got my cloud goggles on deck, Patron on ice. What's up and what is happening, Captain? We got a whole couch full of parcels from you guys. So welcome to another episode of Fan Flame Friday. You guys know it wouldn't be complete without Trish, the blonde hair bish. So, as per usual, man, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Everybody who's a new subscriber, what's up? Welcome to the squad. Today we're gonna open a bunch of packages from you guys, my fans who have hit up my P.O. box with what I assume to be that Fuego. So if you guys would like to send me something, my P.O. box is in the description. This is really irresponsible for me to be using this blade like this, but it always works, baby. So this first package is from Illumination Clothing, I guess, from Tyler Ellinger. So, oh my god, I hate these asbestos-filled envelopes. No offense, bro, but for real, dog, like, what the fuck? Like, bro, this shit's all over my carpet now. I still love you. I still love you. But fuck, man. Damn, hold up, man. Fuck.
Just know I don't want this shit fucking killing my respiratory system.
I bet. So we back. So he sent me this one t-shirt. It says Illumination right there, and it has this light. Honestly, this isn't particularly my style, but anybody who's out there trying to make clothes, I fuck with you. So, good shit. So this next package is from my boy Brian Charlotte, and he sent this to my P.O. box. I should whip out the horse, but like, fuck it. I got fingers. Hold up. Hold up.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Let's see what this is. I like the colors on it. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Texas original bullshit. That is that fire. Fuck yes. I appreciate this, man. So he also sent me a little note. You guys hate when I read these, but whatever. It says, new fan here, been inspired by your hustle dog. Found this piece while thrifting and I knew no one other than Mr. the Thrift Guy can too could do it justice. Hope you dig it. His Instagram is King Cozy. It'll be in the description. So yeah, shout out to the homie Cozy, man. I appreciate this shit, bro. I will definitely be rocking and shocking that boy. Now this next package arrived this week is from Sherilyn Fisher. I honestly don't know if I ordered something or what this is, but I don't recognize the name, so fuck it. I'm just gonna open it and see what's up. But I really don't give people my address like that, so I'm kind of confused as to who this would be from. But that's part of the joys of opening mail, right? Fuck. Fuck. Fuck! There's hella tape on that motherfucker. Ugh. Alright, baby, so we up in this thing. What is all this? Oh shit! What the fuck? How does this person get my address? This shit's fire though. Alright, man. So the first, oh, this from my homie Orlando.
You are really dumb, for real.
All right, man, so this is a crook to the heart piece right here. So he sent me this really dope fucking Barbie shirt. Actually, like, it's all right. I don't know if I can really see myself rocking this all too often, but it has this pink Barbie with 3 eyes on it. So that definitely is sick. I used to wear all of his hats back in the day. I still got a lot of them. So crookedhearts.com is definitely something you guys might want to check out if you're more into like low-key brands. But homie also threw in this fire-ass Nautica jacket, bro. Holy shit. This is sick. This is size medium Nautica coat. So yeah, man, it's all red. It has a mustard interior, that blue, and this says Nautica Challenge down the sleeves. What's crazy is I had one of these and I traded it, and I low-key was like, fuck, did I make the right decision? And I guess I did, because what comes around goes around. And yeah, bro, got that J-class like patch on the sleeve. It's just really sickly color blocked, and it's a more heavy jacket. It is my size. So thank you so much to Orlando. If you guys are interested, again, check out crookedhearts.com for that low-key streetwear heat. Now, the next parcel is from Dickin' Flick of Threads.
Nigga.
Bruh. Why is someone doing yard work right now? Whatever, I hope you guys can't hear that. But yeah, man, Dickin' Flick of Threads, shout out to them. That's a kind of funny ass name. I don't know what they got in here, but we shall see, right? That's part of the surprise. Alright, So we out here. Oh shit. All right, so Digga Flicka sent me a bunch of vintage is what it looks like. Alright, so there's a note in here as well. I don't give a fuck, I'm reading it. It says, hey Paul, here's a couple things I threw together for you from the 402. I started my resale page a while back and just wanted to say that you are a huge inspiration and light of positivity. Thank you, and shout out to Digga Flicka Threads. The IG will be in the description. Now, they threw in 2 pieces. It appears, or actually like 5. Fuck, I can't count at all. They threw in this FUBU Boys exclusive. Jesus Christ. Just look at the amount of embroidery, bro. This shit is like embossed AF. Like this sticks out a good 2 inches from the frame of this crew neck. It says FUBU Jeans collection. Very sick. And then it has the little sleeve patch as well. I definitely will be keeping this guy. Thank you so much for that. It looks a little bit big, but fuck it, man. Mask off. They also threw in this little like Grandpa Tommy Jeans looking shirt. Pretty clean, honestly. Got a couple more wild wears. It's kind of interesting to always see what like random shit people send me from the thrift. They threw in this really dope Omaha's Henry Durley Zoo. So it has a nice little Bengal tiger right there. The next shirt is this one right here. NCAA like College World Series shirt. It's alright, pretty sexy, pretty cool. I like the graphic that is double-sided. That's sick as well. And then last and certainly not least, holy shit. This is dope as fuck. You got the 1997 Sturgis Black Hills rally t-shirt right there. Bro, one time I was in the Black Hills and shit, like, yeah, I think that's South Dakota, right? And, or North Dakota. I don't fucking know the Dakotas like that. But anyways, man, there was hella motherfuckers just mobbing on motorcycles. So that's definitely a cool shirt, very Travis Scott-esque, and I fuck with it heavy. So I appreciate Digga Flicka, even though I think it's Dinkin Flicka, but saying Digga Flicka is funnier, so fuck it. Now, last but not least, we got this giant ass parcel from my girl Thrifty Treasures, aka Tonya Sheets. I don't know if I should put out your government name, but fuck it. I already did. So we're gonna get into this. I see this lady thrifting many a time in the thrifts that I frequent, and we'll see what she threw in for a win today. She told me last time I saw her up in the thrift that she has some stuff for me, so we'll see if she's packing that heat. All right, so here's the envelope. Ooh, Lord. Damn, that's a long ass fucking letter. I hope you enjoy the goodies. Feel free to keep them or sell them. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you. I really enjoyed seeing you on Fox News. All right, cool. And I'm just gonna put her little card in there in case you guys want to watch her on YouTube. There's that. If she's gracious enough to send me stuff, you guys know I'll show that love. All right. Oh shit. All right, there's some fucking good shit up in here. All right, man. So the first piece she threw in is the fishes that get you hella bitches oven mitt. You guys know this is like a rainbow trout, bro. This shit straight up fire, cuz. So that's sick. I definitely appreciate that. This is from 1992. She also threw in, good God. Fuck, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right, man. She also, oh shit. Good God, man. Like, fuck, thank you. I'll send you something back. This is crazy. She also threw in this Tommy for your mommy duffel bag swag. That definitely sick. Got Tommy Hilfiger on both sides. It has the Tommy flag on this side right here. It is slightly dirty, and the zipper seems to be a little bit fucked up, but honestly, like, I'll carry, oh no, it works. I'll carry mail up in this thing. It definitely is tight. I like the two-tone zipper. This is a really dope fucking piece. I definitely appreciate that, Miss Sheets. Like, for real, thank you. Another piece she threw in, damn, is that Polo Sport. Put that thing in sport, skirt. So that's sick. What's crazy is a lot of these items probably were like found in the thrift stores that I go to a lot. So low-key kind of dope. It says Polo Sport right there. Just a very sick piece. This still has a Goodwill fucking little tag on it. So yeah, I know that was in the trenches. She also threw in, of course, the hot Cheetos and the sour Skittles. Appreciate it. And then it appears there's some of her Amazon goodies as well. I know she has like a little Amazon page. So she threw in this Tommy Hilfiger hat. This might be potentially bootleg, but it is what it is, man. Fucking free 99. I ain't even tripping. Inside these little packages, you got a couple more tings. You have this wolf shirt right there. So Appreciate it. You got this all over print tiger shirt. I'll probably gift it to somebody. I really probably would not rock that, but that's cool. I appreciate that. And then last and certainly not least, you have this Fubu Fuego button up right here. Definitely gonna wear this motherfucker to church. Not really, but that's kind of crazy. It says Fubu all up in the Fat Rock. So I appreciate that. And she also threw in my favorite color hat, motherfucking cheetah print. So yeah, man, I appreciate all you guys who sent me this stuff. It really does mean a lot to me. Check out everybody who has a little IG and page, because everybody out here hustling at the end of the day. And I do appreciate all you guys. Again, if you want to send me something, my P.O. box is in the description of this video. Peace and love. We out of here. Woo!
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody live by rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get